One of the most celebrated traditions of the holiday is the presidential turkey pardon, when the President of the United States will take time out of his busy day to set one turkey free from death's icy grip. Well, today on the show, we've got a very special guest. It is last year's presidential pardon. He now writes for Rolling Stone magazine. His latest piece is called Wild Turkey, Bird on the Run. Please give a very warm welcome to Hunter S. Turkey.
There we were, bound by the law of neither man nor bird. We had 2 bags of dinner rolls, 75 pellets of cranberries, 5 sheets of high-powered butter, a salt shaker half full of salt, and a whole galaxy of multicolored uppers, downers, screamers, laughers, or as some people like to call them, my extended family. Not that we needed all that for the trip, but once you get locked into a serious Thanksgiving dinner, the tendency is to push it as far as you can.
Hunter, that's beautiful. One bit I read about in your piece, it says that in the New Mexico desert, you had an orgy with a duck and a chicken, is that right?
Yep, that's right. I call it her fucking. It was delicious. Oh, she was a whore. Organic. Fresh mouth. Oh, the stuffing alone. I had sex. I've seen those videos where they stuff a turkey in the ass. And I like it.
What's it like to be a lone survivor?
You can feel all the white guilt you want, but at the end of the day, those Native Americans were using my tail to decorate their heads. I'll decorate their head with my tail when I shit on them.
Sorry, did you say when you sit on them?
Shit on them. Well, pretty much every time I sit down, I lay a noose. I have very poor bowel control. I'm a turkey.
Some people say that tryptophan makes you sleepy. Is that true?
It's true what they say about tryptophan. I've been exhausted my whole life. Can I tell you a secret, Mike?
I mean, it's a secret between you, me, and anyone who's watching the video.
To be honest, Mike, I've been trying to kill myself for years. Sadly, it is virtually impossible for a turkey to work a handgun. If I could just figure out how to use a gun, I would shoot myself in the face. I wish this hat weighed 1,000 pounds so it would crush my head like an acorn. Why is cancer taking so long? I have such tiny lungs. Please kill me.
Hunter, I'm not going to kill you.
Shove some kind of pill up my ass, I don't care.
I'm not going to kill you. You live a pretty fearless life, but isn't there something that scares you?
I fear that I may not die immediately after this interview.
Why did you really come here today?
I mostly came on the show to beg for death.
Hunter, it was wonderful having you here at CCN, and I wish you good luck in all of your future endeavors.
Go fuck yourself.